In this lesson, we will learn to identify the materials needed to create RCW, or ramial chipped wood. RCW uses twigs, the small branches of trees. They should be collected while the trees are dormant during the autumn, after they have lost their leaves. At this point, the twigs are full of nutrients that they will store for the following spring. Twigs from certain trees make for better RCW than others. Pioneer trees are what we call those species of trees that are the first to grow in a deforested area. They are very hardy and well adapted to the local climate. Their twigs are great for RCW as they help to improve soil health and fertility. So-called climatic species are those trees that are naturally dominant in a local area and are particularly well adapted for RCW. Certain tree types are particularly recommended, such as oak, ash, maple, acacia. On the other hand, certain trees, such as eucalyptus, chestnut trees, and all coniferous trees, contain toxic oils. Avoid using these species for more than 20% of the total volume of your RCW. Yearly trimmings from fruit trees, bushes, and roadside trees are a great source for twigs. Try to use materials from as many different species as possible, as each species of tree will bring unique benefits for soil development and fungi growth. Of course, it may be difficult to identify different tree species while the trees are dormant. Study and identify local trees during spring and summer while they still have their leaves. In the winter, there are a few tips you can use to help identify different species. For oak trees, you'll usually find oak leaves and acorns at the base of the tree. The same is true of chestnut trees, which tend to be surrounded by nuts in spiny casings. Once you've gathered your materials, you can start preparing the RCW.